Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Muhammad Aliman, and today I'm going to present about the smart window and door system and show you how to make a system through Arduino. Okay, first of all, we have to choose the parts, of course. First is Arduino, and this is micro servo or servo motor, and this is ultrasonic distance sensor. So this sensor actually sensor that uses sound waves to determine how far away an object is. So there's two types of sensor, and this is HCR04. The difference is these have 3 pins and this HC has 4 pins. Okay, we move on. So this servo motor will present of my window and doors. Invitation here. Okay. Okay, first we have to connect to power up this system. So of course I connect with the 5-volt power here. So you connect here, so all of these parts can connect with the source, power source. Next is connect with the ground. Okay, ground is always black wire, so we connect all of these with the slots here. So for the signal, the color of the signal is it's not that matter. You can choose any color you want. So the power of it is red and black for the ground. Same goes here. Signal. Sorry. Signal. I'm going with so connect the power, red, and the ground. Ground will be black. Okay. Next, I'm going to put this photoresistor. So what does this photoresistor do? So actually it's the photoresistor is sensor which resistance changes based on amount of light it senses. So this will be helping my to sense for the window. So what I'm actually do here is actually, so this photoresistor will sense the amount of light that it will be received for the window. So if it's going to night or it's going to rain, so it's going to be dark, right? So the amount of light will be less. So when it's less, the window will be shut down. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to make resistor. Oops. So resistor. Okay. So this terminator we're going to connect with the ground. And this is going to connect with analog. This is special, cannot be connected with this signal, digital, so we're going to use the analog. Okay. After that, okay, this one I'm going to connect with the power. Of course, it has to connect with the source power. Okay, I think this is complete. Now we have to set the code. the crucial part. Okay, so we're going to, okay, first thing first, we're going to create a variable. So this will be new sensor. Then we're going to set value sensor first to input. So which input did I put it? So value sensor defines the door, and value photo is for the window. So value sensor at pin 3. So going to put here, put my take this ultrasound distance sensor. This is for this sensor. So which pin? 13. Okay, 13. Same. And in unit cm, I use cm. You can either use inches or cm. Both can do. Next, I'm going to define the value photo here, and so I set this in analog A0. Okay, after that, I'm going to make use if else method, and oh, I'm sorry, it's black syntax. You see, this is could be easier, much better. So we have both. Okay, if else, and I'll pick this math variables value sensor. So I'm going to define set for the door. So if door has the amount of less than like I say, so this is for the sensor. So if it's it shows the distance, right? The distance, I would like to have it 150 centimeter, which is 1.5 meter. So if it get nearer to the sensor, the servo motor or the door will rotate. The servo motor will rotate, and the door will be open, right? So the servo motor at 13. Oh my bad, this is wrong. Actually at 10. Okay, at 90 degrees, and else 13. So if it's not, if it's the distance far, is greater than 150, it will be shut and not going to be open. Same goes for the window. So folio photo, maybe greater. So you can see here the value of this, the maximum of value of amount of light can be received is 2500. So, and 500 is the minimum average. So I take the 500 value, and same goes for the servo motor. So this window at 3, I'm going to rotate at 90 degrees, and it would not rotate at 0. So the servo motor can rotate about 180s and back and forth. So it's very stable for this system, which is very smart. Okay, then what we're waiting for is to check whether it's going to work or not. Okay, so you see it's working. So we click here. Says that it has so less than 150 centimeters, so it will be open. And if you far from here, the door will shut. Okay, then when someone came, the door will be open at range of 1 meter. So when they go far away, they will shut. Same goes for the window. So when it's going to be day, so it's the amount of light will be brighter, more. So the window will be open, and when it's rain or night, it's going to be shut down. Okay, so it's very smart, simple. I think that's all. if you want to see code here, just can copy all of the codes and paste it on the Arduino software to run this Arduino. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.